Hi children, good morning. Welcome to today's class. Before going to today's class, just once you check it homework problems 24, 25, 26, 27. 24th problem see Nana, which of the following rational number is positive? Option A 13 by 19. Here both are positive no, so option A is correct. And C both negative. So A and C are correct. So if numerator and denominator having same sign, then that rational number is called positive rational number. So A having same sign numerator and denominator positive. Next C both negative. So A and C are correct. Next 25th one. Which of the following are not equivalent to the rational number 23 by 54? 25th one C 23 by 54. Option A 69 by 216. Option B 138 by 108. 161 by 54. D 46 by 108. See, look at simplify each. Here if you take here 3 table, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Here 3 7s are 3 2s are 6. So here you get 23 by 72. So it is not equal. So it is correct. Next is this one. 6 table once you check 6 2s are how much? 12. 13 minus 12 1 18. 6 3s are 18. Here 6 1s are 6. 10 minus 6 4 48. 6 8s are. So here 23 by 18. It is also not equal. Next one here. It is not possible simplification. So it is also not. It is equal to rational number. 2 2s are 2 3s are 2 5s are 2 4s are. So it is equal. But they asked not equal. So A, B, C are correct. A, B, C are correct. Next 26th one. Look at 26th one. Which of the following rational numbers are equal? Option B, look at minus 16 by 20, minus 20 by minus 25. Sorry, here minus not here in the numerator. 20 by minus 25. So here 4 table, if you take 4 4s are how much? 16. 4 5s are 20. Here if you take 5 table, 5 4s are 5 5s. So both are equal, no? So option B is correct. Next any is there? 9 by 12 is equal to 8 by 12. 3 table if you take 3 3s are 3 4s are. Here 4 2s are 4 3s are not equal. This C also not equal. D also not equal. So only option B is correct. Next to 27th one. The equivalent rational number of minus 7 by 9 is minus 7 by 9. If you see option C, minus 28 by 36. If you divide with 4 table, both numerator and denominator, what you will get? 4 7s are how much? 28. 4 9s are 36. So minus 7 by 9. So which is correct? Option C is correct. Still any possible? Not possible. Next one, 34 also I given homework. Look at 34th one. See Nana, which of the following is false? Option A, every fraction is a rational number, but every rational number need not to be a fraction. Correct only, no? Next, every integer is a rational number, but every rational number need not to be integer. It is also correct. Every rational number is integer, but every integer is need not to be a rational number. Every rational number is a integer. False that one. Every integer is a rational number. B they given here opposite. So option C is correct. Next option D. Every natural number is a rational number, but every rational number is need not to be a natural number. So option C is correct. 34th one, option C. Next, look at today. We have to discuss 35th. See 35th one. Which of the following are not false? 0/3 is a natural number. 0/3 is a natural number. Natural number. Next, option B. Which of the following are not false? Not false means true. It is true 0/3 is a natural number. No, it is false. It is false. Next one. -7/8, 2/3 are fractions but not rational numbers. It is also false. -7/8, 2/3 are fractions. Fractions are these are 2/3 is a fraction but negative are there. It is not fraction. But these are rational numbers. So it is false. It is also false. C. 2/3, 4/5, 7/8, 9/11 are fractions as well as rational numbers. So this is correct. Not false means true only. No? So option C is correct now. 35th one, option C. 0 is the smallest rational number. 0 is the smallest rational. 0 is neither positive nor negative. If you take positive rational numbers, 1 is the small, negative means infinite. So here we can't say. So C, option C is correct. Next 36th one, see Nana. 36th one. The rational number -192/108 with numerator 64 can be written as -192/108. Here numerator how much? 64. Then what is the denominator they are asking. So here if you divide with 3 table, this one, what you will get? See 192 with 3 table. 3 6 are how much? 18, 12, 3 4s are 12. So 64 we get now numerator. Then equivalent means we have to divide denominator also with the same number. So here 3 table, 3 3s are 9, 1 remainder 18, 3 6 are 18. So minus 64/36. Minus 64 by here numerator they given positive, no? So we have to take denominator negative. So which option is correct, Nana? Option B. Option B is correct. 36th one. Option B is correct. 37th one, see. 37th one. The rational number -6/7 with the denominator 42. With the denominator 42. -6/7, denominator 42. 42 means if you take 7 table, divide with 7. 7 table how many times? 7 6 are 42, no? So here you have to multiply with 6. 6 6 are 34. So if you multiply here 7 6 are 42. So here you have also multiply with 6, 36. -36/42. Which option is correct? Option B. Option B. Next 38th one. If 2/-3 is equal to x/6, then what is x value? Then what is x value? Here you have to do cross multiplication. So 2 into 6 is equal to x into -3. We need x value. Here -3 no need. You transpose this side. So here multiplying 3. If you transpose, it will become division. So x value this one. So if you simplify 3 1s are 3 2s are 2 2s are how much, Nana? 4 -4. So what is x value? Therefore x value -4. Understood here? You have to cross multiply here. 2 6 are 12, 3 into x 3x, 3 into x 3x, or x into minus 3, both are same. 2 into x, here we need x value, so remaining letters no need here. So if you transpose here minus 3 is multiplying with x, so if you transpose left side or right side, it will become division. So 3 ones are 3 twos are 2 twos are 4, so x value minus 4. Like this we have to simplify. So we will discuss next problems in next class.